Hello, my name is Gerardo Larreta, and today I want to talk to about jeans. Are very comfortable, casual, durable, and beautiful. Get meant for all occasion. Uh, I recommend Levi's pants. A very good brand of pants, good for work and everywhere. They're comfortable and basic. They go with everything. Don't think twice. I want you one good jeans. Levi's pants are the best. Visit Levi's Mexico and see their extensive catalog with great price.